Alright guys, welcome to my channel once again. I just ordered the decals for the border Patrol, and I'm going to install them in my Dodge Charger 2016. Here's the decals of the license plate, and this is the first part I've done already. I installed it on my left side of the vehicle. I think it looks pretty nice. I mean, it was blank for a while, and then I installed on my right side of the vehicle. As you can see, the green decals, and there's the rest of it right there already on the right side. And once again, the left side. You can see the back of the license, the rear of the car, and I installed the plate number on top also, which comes to identify the vehicle and everything. Here's the vehicle with lights as I turn them on, and flashing lights. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know about you, but I like this. It turned out good it turns out as good as I expected. So, yep. And once again, the lights, front and side. Anyways, guys, this is the end product. When I received the decals today, I decided to install them. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching once again. Bye-bye.